Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Have you ever wondered whether now is the right time to buy a house, or if we're on the verge of a real estate bubble about to burst? Across the globe, housing prices are fluctuating wildly. Some markets are hitting record highs, while others are seeing sharp declines. Is this just a market adjustment, or are we heading for a major housing crash? In today's video, we'll break down the current global real estate trends, analyze whether a housing bubble is forming, and discuss what this means for homebuyers and investors. Stick around until the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about the housing market in your area. Let's start by looking at what's happening in the global real estate market. In the United States, home prices have soared over the past few years, but with rising interest rates, some areas are already seeing price corrections. In China, property prices remain high in major cities, but in smaller cities, unsold inventory is piling up, creating a slowdown in the market. In Europe, countries like Germany and the UK have experienced property booms, but inflation and economic uncertainty are making the future unpredictable. In Japan, the market has remained relatively stable, but with an aging population, long-term growth is uncertain. With such drastic differences across regions, the big question remains: are we in a real estate bubble, or is this a period of opportunity for buyers? A housing bubble happens when real estate prices are inflated beyond their actual value due to excessive speculation and demand. This creates an illusion of endless price growth, but when the market corrects itself, prices can plummet, leading to financial turmoil. Typical signs of a housing bubble include: home prices far exceed income levels, making it difficult for average buyers to afford a house. A surge in real estate investors, buying properties not for living, but for speculation. Easier access to loans, leading to excessive borrowing and financial risk. Overconstruction, where new properties flood the market, yet prices remain high. When these factors combine, the risk of a market collapse becomes much higher. Looking at history, we can see how dangerous housing bubbles can be. 2008 U.S. subprime mortgage crisis. Low-income borrowers were given risky loans, leading to mass defaults and a housing market collapse that triggered a global financial crisis. Japan's 1990s real estate bubble. Property prices in Japan skyrocketed in the 1980s but then crashed, leading to decades of economic stagnation. Spain's 2008 housing crash. A construction boom turned into a disaster when the economy slowed down, leaving thousands of empty homes and soaring unemployment. These examples show that when a real estate bubble bursts, it doesn't just affect homeowners, it can shake entire economies. What does the future hold for the housing market? Several key factors will determine where prices go next. Interest rates. Higher rates make borrowing more expensive, which can slow down the housing market. Economic conditions. A strong economy supports higher home prices, while a recession can lead to price drops. Population and urbanization. Demand in major cities may remain strong, but declining populations in some regions could push prices down. Government policies. Regulations such as tax incentives, lending restrictions, or property taxes can all influence market trends. Based on these factors, the real estate market is likely to become more divided. Some areas will continue to see growth, while others may face sharp declines. If you're wondering whether to buy a home right now, here are some key takeaways. If you need a home for personal reasons and can afford it, focus on long-term affordability rather than market speculation. If you're investing, choose locations with strong long-term potential rather than following market hype. If you're unsure, monitor interest rates and local supply-demand trends before making a decision. A smart investment is one that fits your financial situation, not just market trends. The real estate market is going through a transition, with prices rising in some areas and falling in others. The key is understanding the market, making data-driven decisions, and thinking long-term. What's happening in your local housing market? Are prices rising, falling, or staying stable? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more real estate insights. See you in the next video.